up YouTube? We're here today at Espressotec Sales and Service. We're in our Barista Lab. What do we got? We've got a Eureka Atom overview. We've already unboxed this. We got too excited, just took it out of the box when they came here. These aren't new grinders to the market. They've been on the market for a couple of years now, but they're new to us, newer in North America and Canada, and so we're having a lot of fun using them. This video is an overview on the grinder. It's for people who are researching the grinders online, looking for something new, or just want to check out some pretty mean espresso equipment. This is a stepless grinder. It's got a massive 60mm burr set. It's great for specialty coffee. It's great for just wanting to have a good, reliable homebrew grinder. It even does some brew coffee, so if you want to do drip and stuff like that, you can take off the portafilter rest. To get the video started, we'll go from the top and then we'll just go straight to the bottom. And then you guys are going to want to check out our next videos where we start pulling some shots. Okay, so this is the bean hopper. It's got a nice, good, secure lid on it. Holds about a ½ pound of coffee. What's common with grinders like these is you can pull the grinder hopper right off. It's got a bean hopper stopper so your beans don't fall out. If you want to grab a second hopper, let us know. You can put your decafs in there, or another blend, something like that. Makes it really easy for just switching between two things. Right here we've got a stepless adjustment, moving the motor down with the bottom burr. So again, that's a stepless adjustment. For you people that are new to stepless adjustments, that means between the point of 1 and 2, there's a 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, and so forth. This means that adjusting grinds on a really small level is really quite easy. You can dial in those shots from, well, shot to shot just by making really small micro adjustments. On the front here, we've got a nice, good, large display panel. Really easy to read out. You got a single button, a double button, and then in the center you got a continuous. If you want to adjust your programming, you've just got a minus and a plus, and you just adjust the time dosing there. A little bit more coffee, a little bit less coffee, pretty simple. Remembers it right away. Down here is our grinder chute, so if you put your portafilter in the rest there, it expels the coffee right into your portafilter. You can just leave it there. There's a micro switch in the back to activate the grind that you're using. You want to remove the portafilter fork, like we touched on earlier. You're dripping or doing drip coffee and things like that. This fits in really quite nice and snug, so you can grind straight into the bin. Allows you to have that flexibility at home if you want to mean pack an espresso grinder, but you like drip coffee or French press every now and then. It doesn't do the best, but it's pretty great for making sure that you get your drip coffee going. I think one of the biggest things to touch on before we wrap up the video and head into our pull and shots is that this grinder has a bottom adjustment. So again, the motor is actually moving up and down with the bottom burr on top of it. Up, down. For you geeks at home or you people that want to do the maintenance, that's important to me. That means you take off your top burr here, you can brush it, you can clean it, blow with compressed air, and you put it back. But you haven't lost your setting. There's no rethreading or anything like that. So let's say you did an espresso shot, you're like, maybe my grinder's a little bit backed up, needs a little bit of cleaning. You just take it right off, brush it, brush the other side, put it right back on and pull that shot again. That's awesome. There's no time wasted in terms of recalibrating and have to find that perfect point again. All right, guys, that's checking out a Eureka Atom 60 with Espressotec Sales and Service. Check out our next video. Also, you guys are going to want to comment below. Let us know what other grinders you might want to check out. And like and subscribe to check out the next videos. See ya.